What's poppin' YouTube? I see that. Anyways, what's poppin'? So this is my first video, so I'm kind of on edge about this because I feel like I'm gonna fuck up, and if I fuck up, it is what it is. So yeah, so this is my first video, so if I'm awkward, it is what it is. So yeah. Basically, so today I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my eyebrows with pomade and how I do my eyebrows with pencil. It's the same method, but like I'm just gonna show you guys. Well, not the same method. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it with two different methods. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my face and do my hair, and I'll be back. Disclaimer, I'm gonna be doing a voiceover for the rest of the video because I feel like if I talk throughout the video, it's gonna take so long, and if I do a voiceover, it'll go as planned. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best to explain what I'm doing through voiceover, but yeah, I don't want to waste my time. I don't want to waste yours, so a voiceover is. See you guys later. Alright, so I'm back, bitches. What's poppin'? Alright, so I moisturize my face, so that's like done, and that's gonna be my pencil, and that's gonna be pomade. Oh, I got a mirror. Alright, so now right here I'm like deciding, alright, that's gonna be pomade. I got two different Anastasia, whatever the fuck, and I'm gonna using the medium brown because in my opinion, I think it's darker. Here I went close to the camera thinking it was gonna focus. Obviously it did, so fuck it. Yeah, I got an angled brush, a spoolie, I think that's what it's called, and then now right here I'm just brushing my eyebrow hairs. I barely have anything, but it is what it is. So I'm just brushing it to, like, you know, get it out the way. And I got the pomade, and I'm just gonna start from the bottom and kind of curve it to make the base. I call it a base because if you don't have the bottom correct, how the fuck are you gonna get the top for me? So I call it the base. I don't know what y'all call it, but to me it's the base. Alright, so now I'm doing the top, and as I said in the beginning, I said that I start with the bottom so that I know how I want the top to be. And as you see, it freaking works, right? So basically, I'm filling it in. But I filled it in mad times because I felt like it wasn't good enough. I don't know what's good with me, but I went over it a bunch of times. To the point where I was like, oh, it looks nice. Let me just do a little bit more, you know? So to me, in my opinion, it came out better than I expected. No, I'm lying. It came out better than I thought, but it didn't come out the way I wanted to. So, you know, your girl fucked it up, but it's cool, whatever. Alright, now I'm going in with the Pro Concealer in Fawn, I think. The tape came off, so yeah. Then I'm going to put it on the back of my hand so that I don't squeeze out too much. And then I leave some on the applicator so that when I apply it, it goes on smoothly because I don't have any brushes. So first of all, I just want to apologize in advance because I realized that I was cock blocking the view. So basically what I'm doing is I'm applying the concealer under my eyebrow so it's easier to blend out. Then I realized that I fucked up. Y'all see how I nodded my head like I was fed up. But yeah, I'm just putting it under my eyebrow. And I'm sorry if I keep looking back and forth at the camera and the mirror. It's because I want to make sure that I'm not in the way. So alright, so let me just explain something. I dragged out the concealer because the way that I'm gonna blend out is just retarded. Y'all gonna look at me and think I'm stupid. Like, yeah. Alright, so this is what I mean by retarded. I'm using my fingers to blend out the concealer, and I know it looks super weird, but the result, to me, I like the result. Not only that, but do you guys know Eris the Planet? Yeah, I watch her. She does it like this, and I swear to God, I thought I was the only one. I did not want to tell nobody that I blended out like this because it just looks weird. Like, that's just not how you do it. But, I mean, shit, I get good results. And now to finish it off, I'm using a black pencil. I try to go close to the camera so you guys can see, but obviously it wasn't working. But I'm using a black pencil just to define it a little bit because I like my eyebrows, bold. Not very bold, but bold enough that it's like really pretty. And I have really light eyebrows, so this helps out a lot. Alright guys, so your girl is finished with the pomade side of her eyebrow. And even though it's done, there's one more we still have to do. So let's get to it. Alright, so right now I'm using the dark brown pencil instead of the black. These are from NickAk, so they're like $2 or $1. They're cheap. They're very cheap, but they work wonders. So the tip was dull, so I'm sharpening it, and that's how I like it. I like it like that. Anyways, so now I'm gonna brush up my eyebrows so that I can start. So yeah. So just like the pomade, I'm starting with the bottom, and I'm gonna make my way to a tail because this eyebrow does not have a tail at all, so I have to make one up. Now I'm brushing it down because, as you can see, I have the shape of my arch or the shape of my actual eyebrow, so I'm just gonna use that as a guideline so that I don't have to go ahead and have to create an arch that I don't have or that looks very unnatural. And I know the drill with the concealer. Apply it to my back hand, apply it to my eyebrow. And then, like I showed y'all, my technique, my fingers are gonna blend out the concealer. And remember I talked about the mumbo jumbo and the definer and the black pencil? Yeah, well, I'm doing it again. I'm gonna use the black pencil just to define it a little bit more because my eyebrows are very light. Yeah, so I'm finished. I'm finito. For me, I'm done. So I think I like pomade better. So that one's pomade and this one's pencil. Which one do you guys like? I like pomade, but let me know in the comments. I don't know what happened with the pencil. I use pencil every day, but today just wasn't my day, so I don't know. But thanks for watching this video, you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see y'all later.